It's a day of fast-paced developments in counter-terror operations that are taking place in multiple parts of the country, and the security forces, the investigators, they've also been able to piece together the last moments of the suspected bomber, Dr. Muhammad Umar. Information now coming in. Dr. Umar Muhammad, also known as Dr. Umar Nabi, visited a mosque in Old Delhi just moments before the blast was carried out. Now, sources are telling India Today that they now have CCTV images of Dr. Muhammad Umar entering the Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid, not very far from the Ramleela Maidan, from the historic Ramleela Maidan, opposite Turkman Gate, in and around that Daryaganj area. He was inside the mosque for over 10 minutes, and then he headed straight back for the Red Fort, and that's where the explosion took place. Now, this mosque is known to house the local operations of the Tablighi Jamaat, and that is a branch that's split from the Nizamuddin Markaz. That's the information that is coming in. The investigators are also examining whether Dr. Muhammad Umar from Jammu and Kashmir, working and living in Faridabad, met someone inside this mosque. Did he receive any final instruction? Moments later, there was a blast, and we'll show you those images. India Today has those images of those final moments just when the blast took place. The Prime Minister's just had the Cabinet Committee on Security meeting. We'll tell you about that in just a moment. But I want to quickly bring in India Today's Shreya Chatterjee for this latest developing story, a story that we're breaking here. Shreya, bring us the significance of this mosque that Dr. Muhammad Umar visited. Have the police been able to speak to the Maulvi, the Imam of this mosque? What more information do we have about the final moments of Dr. Muhammad Umar?
Well, you know, Gaurav, this is as investigation unravels that on the day of the blast at 2:30 p.m. is when this terror-accused Umarun Nabi, he visits the Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid at Turkman Gate at 2:30 p.m., stays there for 10 to 15 minutes, subsequently moves out of there and goes to the T5 parking of the Red Fort near the Sunehri Masjid. And after that, we all know what transpired that took so many lives. But what we are right now learning is that the Delhi police has made this a part of their official investigation as well. I myself went to that mosque right now. We also spoke to a few of the regular people who offer prayers there. They say that 10 to 15 minutes is actually quite some time to offer a namaz. So big question, was that the place that he chose for his final prayers before he chose to detonate that I-20 car? That's probably something that the investigators will also look at, but he definitely did spend 10 to 15 minutes before he headed to that parking lot where he spent 3 hours. But this is the masjid, Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid is probably where he offered his last prayers.
Okay,